Hi everyone. Today I tried to go back to this place that you may have seen in my previous video, but as it turned out, since there have been no rain for the last 2 days, the sand got dry and it was impossible to ride there today. It was you couldn't even call it a ride. So I went a bit further and I found this place. I've also been here before, and this place is great because the surface in here is harder, and despite this being like mostly sand, it's not a deep sand, so you can ride on it. And since I already got here, I thought that maybe I will practice some less important things like power slides, and yeah, it's called power slides. So this is what I've been doing, but I really suck at those, and I will not show it to you because I really am terrible at this. I haven't crashed despite my slide, so that's a good thing. And it seems that my fuel is running out, so I think the smartest thing to do will be to go get some more, and then I will see. But I don't think I will be doing any off-road trainings today. It's just not my day today. I feel that I'm like too tired, and maybe too tired to be so focused all the time, and that's why I will probably pass and do some, I don't know, maybe I will do some other riding, because the weather is great. It's like a perfect weather because it's 20 plus degrees, so not too cold, not too warm. Okay, it turned out that I forgot to charge my batteries, and I only have one left, and this GoPro is eating batteries alive, so we'll see if this is gonna work. So it should work. down. It's harder. Going down, it's not that fun. So it turned out that my mic was not plugged and I've been talking to myself for the last half an hour. Potrzebujecie Państwo pompki?
Proszę?
Czy potrzebujecie Państwo pompki?
Dobre.
Tak, mam.
Fajnie, dziękuję. Jaki pan miły?
No, dziękujemy,
Gdybyś nie wstała, to
pan
byś nie
chciał
zatrzymał.
odpocząć po prostu.
Aha. Nie, mam taką elektryczną, malutką, ale kompresorek, ale pompuje
A
bajka.
nam tak ciężko idzie, bo nie mamy
naprawdę.
dopompowanej. To jest tragedia.
Tylko, widzę, macie dobry wentyl. Dobra. Rower, on mi mówi 45 PSI, nie wiem jakie tutaj jest.
No, pan pyta o fachowe rzeczy.
Mitas.
My tu się wybraliśmy na rower.
To będziemy na oko
On
pompować.
jest na 60 kg.